Give me a Riri moment. Ooh, ooh, oh. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tina Nikhil, and if you haven't been subscribed yet or liking my videos, then what are you doing? So without further ado, as you can read the title, I'm going to be reviewing the Soul Body Dry Shimmering Oil. So let me just break it down to y'all. Like last week or some change ago, I was considering ordering the shimmering oil by Soul, and I was like, maybe I should get it, should I not get it, should I get it? And then I seen a couple reviews on YouTube about people saying, oh, it's a good product. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go and buy it. So I went to buy it and the kabuki brush, but the kabuki brush is out of stock, so I just wound up getting the shimmering oil. Delivery, tracking, all that stuff was just a mess. I had to write an email to customer service. It was just too much, but I got my package and it looks like this. I opened it already, but I didn't open the component, so I don't even know what the bottle looks like. I got it today and it looks something like this. Since I didn't get the kabuki brush, I had to use like one of my, it's kind of like a kabuki brush. I wasn't trying to buy one, so it was just like I gotta do what I have, you know what I'm saying? So I have the shade bronze right here, and yeah, I can't wait to open this. So before we even get into the review, let me talk about the instructions and what it's supposed to do and whatever, and the amount it's in here. So it's 3 fluid ounces, so that's not bad, and it's a luxe lightweight dry oil with the next level multi-dimensional shimmer infused with coconut, argan, and marula oils, ooh, for glistening good for your skin glow. Leave skin drenched in I can't read, y'all. I can barely speak English. So an addictive tropical coconut aroma. Ooh, so it smells good. I can't wait to smell it. How to use it. Shake well, okay. Massage into skin using fingertips or buff into skin using brush. Apply liberally to highlight your highlight. Oh, it's vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, pesticide-free, mineral oil-free. Alright, so let's just dig in. That's all it says. So, I took my nails off, by the way. I just got 3 nails left. Ooh, it looks so nice. Okay, let me try to... Okay. This looks so nice. You can just see like the glitter all in here. It looks just so nice. So they said shake it up. So that's what we're doing. We're shaking it up. Shake it up. Who missed that show? I missed that show. And the cap looks like this. I like the weight of this. It feels like, it doesn't feel too cheap. It doesn't, like, it feels kind of heavy. Yeah, for $15 is not bad. So I'm gonna start on my chest because I've seen a lot of them little beauty gurus, they start on their chest and whatever. So I'm gonna keep shaking it up. It looks so pretty, oh my gosh. I'm gonna get my kabuki brush. Let me move this, yeah. I'm gonna just blend that out. Oh my gosh. Oh, it do smell good. It smells so good. It smells, oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like, ooh. Y'all know I love a highlight. I love a good highlight moment. So when I see something like this, I'm like, yes. And right when I ordered this, a couple of days later, like 1 or 2 days later, the kabuki brush was back in stock, and they had a new formula with the glow oils. I was like, wow, they would, you know, put new products out in the kabuki brush back on the shelf once I already placed my order in. I'm like, that's fine, it's okay. This looks so pretty. The reason I bought this was because this keeps squirting out, girl. The reason I bought this was because I'm going on vacation soon, like in a week and a half, so I want to be on the beach stunting. Look at that. Ooh, look at that shine. Hey. When you go to the store, give me one too. I'll be right there. I know y'all hear my mom in the background. She's so loud. And then, ooh, it just looks so pretty. I might go to school with this joint on. But no, I got a collar. My school shirt got a collar, so none of that going on. This looks so pretty. I just might put more on here. And it smells good. And the thing is, I was kind of indecisive of what shade I wanted because I was going to get the warm gold one. But I'm like, I don't know. It may not be good for my skin. And then I seen a couple reviews and on black dark skin girls. And they were like, oh, it's a little bit too light. It's too much shimmer. The bronze one to just shimmer but not enough. It's like shimmer but not too much shimmer. So it's just like perfect. So I'm like, I'm going to get the bronze.
Tiani!
Yes?
Tiani!
Okay, back to what I was saying before I got interrupted again. This looks so pretty. It looks like I'm sweating. And the thing is, I love a glow. I love a shine. I love a glitter. I love all that extraness. So when I see like, ooh, it just looks effortlessly like shimmery and this like, and it looks better like in person because you see the like the glitter specks and whatever. So it's just like, oh my goodness. I'm gonna try to have a Rihanna moment and do this. Only problem I have with this product so far that it keeps squirting out, and I don't know what that's about, but oh yes, my goodness, I'm so hyped. Oh my, oh look at that. They put some over here. Let me put a little bit over here. Okay, I wonder if you can put this on your face. You can, right? Even though it says soul body, can be a soul face. You know what I'm saying? This looks so pretty. And I always wanted something glittery and like something shiny for the summer. I was going to get the Fenty Beauty one, but they was all saying, oh, it's sticky after a while. Let me try to see what this feels. It doesn't feel sticky. It smells really good. It doesn't feel sticky, and I've been layering this on, so it's like, it's very lightweight. I mean, it did say it's lightweight, so I give them props for that. It is lightweight. It doesn't feel like I got something on. It's not that heavy, but you can see that it's there, you know? It's like perfect. So you can see, still see it's there. So it's like not that bad. And it's like, oh goodness. I'm gonna try putting it on my face. Even I'm trying to feel it, like the texture. It doesn't really feel like nothing. It feels, I'm gonna put some on the brush. Just a little bit. Cause it's like squirting out, girl. Okay, that's a little bit. I'm trying to put some on my face. I mean, it's not bad, but I'm not really gonna recommend it for the face. I mean, if you want to put it on your face, you can, but oh, it don't look that bad. It just make me look I'm sweating. Like I'm getting like I just got out the gym type of look. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Like if y'all ever on a diet and y'all going to the gym, but y'all like fake going to the gym. So you told all your friends like, I'm going to the gym, girl. And be like, okay, put some of this on your body, make it seem like you're sweating. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, okay. All right, this is pretty. But it looks like I'm wet. Like, pause. It looks like I said, I'm sweating. And that's a good look, especially if you're going to the beach. Like, I like a sweat moment. Like, I know that sounds weird, but I love a sweat moment. But I hate sweating. So, like, if that makes sense. It looks pretty good. It looks, ooh, I got that glow. Ooh, came through dripping. Hey. So, as I'm wrapping up my review now. What do I think about the Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil? I approve of it. So, yes, I love this product already. And I really haven't been really using it like that. My first time using it, and it's so pretty. Like, only problem I have is it squirts out, and you don't want that. Like, I just want like a little drip moment and then blend out like a drip, like the Fenty Beauty lava, body lava thing. It's like, you know, don't squirt out. That's the only problem I really have with it. The smell is good. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing something, especially on my face. I could take it or leave it on my face. I really don't mind it. I really wouldn't go for this every day for my face. Yeah. So that's how I feel about it. It's really pretty. Like, it's really pretty. And you can just keep layering it on depending on like the intensity you desire. So yeah, I think it's gorgeous, especially for the summertime. So yeah. So anyways, like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, Tiana Kill. Follow me on Instagram at Tiana Kill and on Twitter at Tiana Kill. You know what's up. I'm barely on my Twitter, just so you know, but I'm on my Instagram a lot. So, you know, hit a sister up. Follow a sister. Help a sister out. You know what I'm saying? But I will be having a vlog soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, bye here.